Well, there you go, y'all. There's one reason to have a good microwave. Good size microwave. Don't have a cheap microwave. Don't get cheap ones. Believe Lord for good high quality stuff. So that's why you want to do it. Good, nice, high quality. So live, move, be. It's cool too because we got the 50% so you don't burn the stuff. Because this microwave will boil water. Like what 2 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever. So you put that on high for 3 minutes. That's not good. But anyways, there is a reason to have a good microwave. Get a good one. Believe the Lord for the best. Don't settle for the less. It will be.